The weight loss industry is lying to you. Those metabolism pills and potions they're selling? Total scam. But these 10 foods sitting in your kitchen right now? They can actually change the way your body burns calories. And science proves it. You've been trying to speed up your metabolism with all the wrong tools. The real solution isn't in a bottle, it's in your grocery cart. Here's the truth about 10 foods that actually boost your metabolism, backed by real research, not Instagram influencers. But first, let me ask you, have you ever felt like your metabolism is broken? Like your friend can eat an entire pizza and stay thin while you gain weight just smelling food? Yeah, I've been there too. The good news is your metabolism isn't broken. It just needs the right fuel. The challenge most people face is they're drowning in metabolism myths. Eat 6 small meals. Never eat after 8 p.m. Take this miracle supplement. But while you're chasing gimmicks, you're missing out on real foods that actually work. Let's fix that right now. 1. Spicy peppers. Your metabolism has an on switch, and capsaicin, the compound that makes peppers hot, basically slams it. Studies show spicy peppers can increase calorie burn by up to 8% by triggering thermogenesis, literally making your body generate heat. In one study, people who added capsaicin to their breakfast burned an extra 50 calories throughout the day without doing anything else differently. That's 5 pounds a year just from adding some spice. You don't need to torture yourself with ghost peppers. Even mild options like paprika contain some capsaicin. Add cayenne to eggs, throw some chopped jalapenos in your guacamole, or sprinkle red pepper flakes on pizza. Your metabolism will fire up faster than your mouth. Think spicy food is the only way to heat things up? Think again, because our next metabolism booster is sitting in your mug. 2. Green tea. Most fat-burning teas are just laxatives in disguise. But green tea? That's the real deal. It contains catechins, especially one called EGCG, that literally tell your body to burn fat faster. The science here is fascinating. EGCG activates an enzyme called AMP-activated protein kinase, AMPK, which is like flipping your body's metabolic switch from store fat to burn fat. One study found green tea drinkers burned 17% more fat during exercise than non-tea drinkers. The best part? You don't need some fancy expensive tea. Regular grocery store green tea does the job. Just drink 2-3 cups daily. Cold or hot doesn't matter, but skip the sugar which cancels out the benefits. Want to know what makes your body work harder even when you're doing absolutely nothing? Our next metabolism booster makes your digestive system put in overtime. 3. Lean proteins. Your body has to work incredibly hard to digest protein, burning up to 30% of the protein's calories just processing it. Compare that to carbs, 5–10%, and fats, 0–3%, and you see why protein is metabolic gold. But there's more. Protein preserves muscle mass, which is essentially your body's calorie-burning engine. More muscle equals higher metabolism, 24/7, even while you sleep. Chicken breast, turkey, whitefish, Greek yogurt, eggs, all metabolism MVPs. Even if you're plant-based, options like tofu, tempeh, and legumes give you the same benefit. Aim for at least 25 to 30 grams per meal to really rev things up. But what if you need an instant metabolism kickstart? Our next food, well, drink, delivers an immediate boost. 4. Coffee. That morning coffee doesn't just wake up your brain, it wakes up your metabolism too. Caffeine stimulates your central nervous system, temporarily boosting metabolism by 3 to 11% and increasing fat oxidation by up to 29%. One study found that people who drank coffee before a workout burned almost 15% more calories for 3 hours afterward. That's like getting free extra exercise while doing nothing differently. Black coffee works best. Those sugary, creamy coffee shop concoctions? They're just milkshakes in disguise and will counteract any metabolic benefit. Stick to 1 to 2 cups daily, ideally before noon so it doesn't mess with your sleep, which, by the way, would wreck your metabolism. Speaking of things that might surprise you, our next metabolism booster is the smelly stuff hiding in your pantry. 5. Apple cider vinegar. I know it smells like feet, but apple cider vinegar contains acetic acid, which has been shown to reduce fat storage while improving your body's ability to use fat for fuel. A Japanese study found that participants who consumed just 2 tablespoons of ACV daily for 12 weeks lost 3.7 pounds, reduced belly fat, and lowered their triglycerides, without changing anything else about their diet or exercise. The key is consistency. Mix 1–2 tablespoons in water before meals. Never drink it straight, your tooth enamel will hate you. Or use it as a salad dressing base with olive oil and herbs. The taste grows on you, I promise. But what if I told you one of the most powerful metabolism boosters is also one of the cheapest foods in the grocery store? Our next category might shock you. 6. Legumes and lentils. Beans, the magical metabolism fruit. These fiber-packed powerhouses create a double metabolic benefit. The protein boosts calorie burn during digestion, while the fiber feeds gut bacteria that regulate metabolism. The resistant starch in legumes is particularly powerful. It passes through your digestive system undigested until it reaches your colon, where gut bacteria ferment it into short-chain fatty acids that improve metabolic health. 1 cup of lentils packs 18 grams of protein and 16 grams of fiber for under 25 cents. Add them to soups, make bean dips, toss them in salads, or use them as a base for plant-based burgers. Your metabolism and your wallet will thank you. But sometimes you need to add some spice to life and to your metabolism. Our next food brings the heat in a different way. 7. Ginger. Ginger doesn't just make your stir-fry taste amazing. It contains gingerol, a compound with thermogenic properties similar to capsaicin, but without setting your mouth on fire. Studies show ginger increases body temperature, which boosts calorie burn. One study found that consuming ginger regularly reduced body weight and fasting blood glucose in overweight adults, while improving gut bacteria diversity. Fresh ginger works best. Grate it into hot water for tea, add it to smoothies, or throw it into stir-fries and curries. Even a small amount daily makes a difference in how your body processes calories. Ready for the most controversial metabolism booster on our list? This next one might surprise you. 8. Coconut oil. Know what you're thinking. Isn't this high in fat? Yes, but not all fats behave the same way in your body. Coconut oil contains medium-chain triglycerides, MCTs, that your body processes completely differently than other fats. Unlike long-chain fatty acids that get stored, MCTs go straight to your liver where they're immediately converted to energy. Research shows they can increase calorie burning by about 5%. That's roughly 120 extra calories daily or 12 pounds a year. You don't need much, just 1 to 2 tablespoons daily as your cooking oil, blended into coffee or used in baking. Quality matters, so look for unrefined virgin coconut oil. Think all carbs destroy your metabolism? Think again. Our next metabolism booster proves not all carbs are created equal. 9. Whole grains. The fiber in whole grains like oats, brown rice, and quinoa creates what nutritionists call the second meal effect. They improve how your body metabolizes not just that meal, but your next meal too. The complex carbohydrates in whole grains stabilize blood sugar, preventing insulin spikes that trigger fat storage. The fiber also requires significant energy to digest, increasing your calorie burn during digestion. A Tufts University study found that people who ate whole grains instead of refined grains burned an extra 100 calories daily through a combination of increased resting metabolic rate and greater fecal energy losses, without changing anything else about their diet. And finally, the simplest metabolism booster that almost everyone overlooks. 10. Water dehydration slows metabolism by as much as 3%. That's like taking a 30-minute walk and getting only 20 minutes worth of calorie burn. But cold water specifically boosts metabolism through thermogenesis as your body works to warm it to body temperature. One study found drinking 500 ml of cold water increased metabolic rate by 30% for 90 minutes. Doing this 4 times daily could burn an extra 100 calories. That's 10 pounds a year just from drinking water. Here's my twist. Add metabolism-boosting ingredients like lemon. Vitamin C helps produce carnitine, which transports fat into cell mitochondria. Cucumber, anti-inflammatory compounds, or mint, improves digestion. Not only does this make water less boring, but it adds extra metabolic benefits. What makes these foods truly powerful is combining them. Green tea with lemon, spicy chickpea curry with ginger, coffee with coconut oil, whole grain bowl with lean protein. The metabolism magic happens when you stack these effects throughout your day, creating a continuous fat-burning environment in your body. Here's what most people get wrong. They try one metabolism hack for a week, see no dramatic results, and give up. But metabolism is changed through consistent daily habits, not quick fixes. These 10 foods work, but they aren't magic pills. They're tools that, when used consistently as part of a healthy diet, can give you a real metabolic edge, helping you burn more calories every single day without feeling deprived. Try adding just 3 of these foods to your daily routine this week. Notice how your energy changes. Then add another next week. Small, consistent changes add up to major metabolic impact over time. Want to know what's been sabotaging your metabolism all along? Check out my video on 7 foods that are secretly destroying your metabolism to discover what's been working against you.